What's up? KraftingKars here for another video. Ashton here as well. Rare duo video here. I have a new UFO style. I actually have a couple of them, but we're going to test it out on one first. So the first thing we're going to do in today's video is wire in the new light. Check that out, check the lighting out and whatnot. And then after that, this baby's getting off the rollers. Can I get an A? And a little spoiler surprise, there's going to be a new package coming in the next week or so for the BRZ. What do you say?
Sounds like a plan.
All right, let's do it. And we're back with the new light. Just got it installed. Like I said, it's a UFO style light. Yeah, all in all, like it. Definitely got to get that second one thrown in. Just kind of even the light out a little bit and whatnot. But it's definitely a very white light. You can really see a lot of stuff here. Definitely shows all the dirt on the BRZ. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there's a handprint right there. And some smears on the hood. She's a dirty, dirty girl. So now with the lights in, we're gonna pull the BRZ and then we're probably gonna drive it to the gas station and get a little car wash. Let's get to it.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
So good to be back in here. So good. Let's get to it.
First car wash of the year.
This is what I have to go through. Ready? It's snowing outside, dude.
Can't tell you the amount of times I've 2 steps at this gas station.
Oh, you get $1 off.
Oh, look at that.
Dude, premium's only $2.46. Better do a walk around.
It always looks really cool at this gas station because you have the blue neon lights shining on your car. Not that you can really see it on this car. So fresh, so clean. Still feels pretty healthy, and that's all we care about. shit boxes. So.
All right, so we're back at the house. BRZ's back in the garage in her natural spot. Runs good, runs great. Did a couple of pulls on the way back. All went really well. So we did end up installing the second light up there in the ceiling. Now we got 2. And yeah, so now if this is down, the weather's finally turning around. Only makes more room for more projects. So stay tuned. We got a lot coming at you. Appreciate you all watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you got any questions or comments, as always, leave them below. Thanks, guys.